Hi buddies! Kamusta? This is Dessa and welcome back to my channel.
Alright, pag-usapan naman natin ang Vlookup. Vlookup or vertical lookup, this is an Excel function that allows you to search for a specific value in a table and then return a value from a different column. So gamit ang isang unique value or specific value, tutulungan kanyang hanapin ang corresponding value nito sa ibang column. So para ka lang gumagamit nito ng dictionary. So para makita mong ibig sabihin ng word na behave, hahanapin mo muna ito para makita yung meaning niya. The same thing with the contact list. So search mo muna yung pangalan na Jennifer, saka mo mahanap yung email address niya at contact number. So for this example, Jennifer ang magiging lookup value mo at ang return value mo ay yung email address niya or yung contact number niya. Alright? So formula for VLOOKUP is equal sign VLOOKUP. First is the lookup value. Second is columns from lookup value to return value. So i-highlight mo yun. From lookup value to return value na columns. Third is yung number from lookup value column to return value column. And fourth is return an approximate or exact match. So you will put 1 if you wanted an approximate value or 0 if gusto mo ng exact value. So let's take this example here. So we have our names here at kukunin natin yung contact number. So for example, equal sign VLOOKUP. Ito yung lookup value mo. Hahanapin mo yung contact number ni Brian C. Comma sign. Highlight mo kung saan manggagaling yung name. So this is the column of the lookup value hanggang dun sa return value. So hanggang contact number. Alright. And then the number. So we have 1, 2, and 3 columns consisting lookup value column and the return value. 3. And we want the exact match. Right. So this is the contact number. And to get the email address, we look up the lookup value, highlight the columns, the number of columns, which is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And there you go. That's how you use VLOOKUP. Okay, so gamitin naman natin itong ibang set of data. So using VLOOKUP, hahanapin natin ang product name and on-hand quantity ng product numbers na nandito sa column J. So this will serve as our lookup values. Okay, so let's start. Equal sign VLOOKUP from column B to C. So that is 1 and 2 columns. 2 columns. Alright. So hindi siya nakita sa video, pero nung hinhighlight ko yung 2 columns na to, nag-prompt si Excel ng 2C, which means 2 columns daw yung hinhighlight ko. So very useful ito na detail, especially if gagamit na kayo ng napakaraming columns or mag-highlight na kayo ng maraming columns. So we look up and then B to G. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns. 6 columns. Alright. Copy niya lang yan. There you go. So I just want to note na if may duplicate kayo na product number or may duplicate kayo na lookup value, for example, itong 152, lalagyan natin ng on hand na 100. So yung ma-show up dito sa data ninyo is yung first lang na makakapture niya na data, which is yung 215. Hindi niya makakapture yung second, third values na with the same lookup value. Alright? So, I hope sana may natutunan kayo dito sa video na to. Thank you for watching! Bye!